For millions of seniors, imagine waking up in the middle of the night with an awful cramp that causes them to gasp in anguish. This isn't just a nightmare, it's a frequent and debilitating reality. What if I told you that the remedy to these terrible muscular spasms could be right in your kitchen? In this video, we're going to show you 7 powerful daily foods that have the potential to transform how seniors deal with leg cramps. These aren't ordinary foods. They're nutritional powerhouses containing critical vitamins and minerals that act as natural muscle relaxants. But here's the kicker. Most individuals are unaware that these ordinary elements could be the key to sleeping peacefully and pain-free. We'll go into the science behind why these foods are so powerful and teach you how to include them into your diet for optimal effect. But before we reveal our list, we'll share a startling statistic about how many seniors suffer needlessly from leg cramps just because they don't know this knowledge. Stay tuned. The 6th food on our list may surprise you. It might be the game changer you've been looking for. These meals are quite powerful. It has been demonstrated to boost muscle strength by up to 30% in just a few weeks. Which is it? You will have to keep watching to find out. Trust me, once you've learned about these 7 essential foods, you'll never look at your grocery list the same again. Are you ready to get control over your leg strength? Transform your mobility. Let's dive in. Before we proceed, if you found this article useful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. This helps more people discover the channel. This content is provided for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice in all cases. Now, we'll order our list from 6 to 1. Some of the meals on the list will surprise you. Surprised. We will now arrange our list from 7 to 1. Shocking foods await you. 7 bananas. Potassium is a key mineral that aids in muscle function and fluid equilibrium. It belongs to a class of minerals known as electrolytes, which are essential for delivering electrical signals that control muscle contractions. Low potassium levels can cause muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue. This is why including potassium-rich foods in your diet, such as bananas, can help reduce muscle cramps. This is especially essential for elderly persons whose electrolyte levels, in addition to potassium, might fluctuate as they age. Bananas also include a variety of nutrients that enhance general wellness. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber, aids digestion, and can assist elders in maintaining a healthy weight. Bananas also contain a moderate quantity of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and supports healthy skin, as well as vitamin B6, which is essential for brain health and red blood cell production. These nutrients combine to make bananas a well-rounded diet that not only prevents leg cramps but also supports a variety of bodily processes. Alongside potassium, bananas also contain magnesium, which is a crucial mineral for muscle relaxation. Magnesium modulates muscular contraction by counteracting the effects of calcium, which causes muscle contractions. A magnesium deficiency can increase muscle cramping, so elders must take adequate amounts of this essential vitamin. The combination of potassium, magnesium, and bananas offers an optimal environment for preventing muscle spasms, making them a good alternative for those who frequently get leg cramp. Bananas also include antioxidants like dopamine and catechins, which assist to decrease inflammation. Chronic inflammation can cause muscle pain and discomfort, especially in elderly people who have arthritis or other inflammatory disorders. Banana antioxidants can indirectly relieve muscular cramps and reduce the frequency and severity of leg cramps by lowering inflammation. 6th, spinach. Taking control of your health is a low-cost investment with long-term advantages. Spinach is often considered as a superfood due to its high vitamin content, making it especially good for older persons seeking to avoid leg cramps. One significant advantage of spinach is its high magnesium concentration. Magnesium is essential for muscle health because it promotes muscle relaxation and regulates muscle contractions. It complements calcium, which is responsible for muscle contraction, by allowing muscles to rest afterward. When magnesium levels are low, muscles tighten, cramp, spasm, and stiffen. Seniors are more susceptible to magnesium insufficiency due to age-related changes in absorption and kidney function, making spinach an excellent nutritional choice. A single serving of spinach contains a considerable portion of the daily necessary magnesium consumption, making it a great choice for maintaining healthy magnesium levels. Aside from magnesium, spinach contains additional minerals that promote general wellness. For example, folate aids brain function and red blood cell synthesis, and vitamin K is essential for bone health and blood clotting. Magnesium's muscular calming properties have been extensively documented, with multiple studies demonstrating that magnesium supplements can lessen the incidence and severity of muscle cramps, particularly in older persons. Magnesium can, however, be obtained more efficiently and sustainably from whole foods such as spinach. Unlike magnesium pills, which can cause digestive troubles or be poorly absorbed, magnesium in spinach is easily absorbed and has numerous additional advantages that improve overall health. Spinach provides a variety of nutrients and antioxidants that promote muscle health. For example, it is abundant in potassium, another electrolyte that aids in fluid balance and cramp prevention. Potassium works in tandem with magnesium to ensure that 5 sweet potatoes, which are another nutrient-dense food that can considerably reduce leg cramps. Sweet potatoes, like bananas and spinach, contain essential vitamins and minerals that promote muscle health, especially potassium and magnesium. These minerals are essential for muscle function and preventing involuntary contractions and spasms, which cause leg cramps. Sweet potatoes contain potassium, which helps control fluid equilibrium in the body, and magnesium, which aids in muscular relaxation and avoids stiffness. Seniors who frequently get leg cramps benefit from having sweet potatoes in their diet. Could be an effective way to relieve discomfort and reduce the frequency of cramping. Aside from potassium and magnesium, sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, a precursor for vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining good vision, immunological function, and skin health. Sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene, which gives them their beautiful orange color and functions as a strong antioxidant, helping to combat oxidative damage and inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the causes that might cause muscle discomfort and cramps. Sweet potatoes' anti-inflammatory properties can help relieve muscle pain and prevent cramping. Sweet potatoes also include a high amount of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber is especially helpful for seniors who are at risk of digestive difficulties and fluctuating blood sugar levels, since it helps keep blood sugar constant. Sweet potatoes can help reduce energy declines that cause weariness and muscle cramps. The fiber also promotes heart health by decreasing cholesterol and increasing circulation, which is especially important for seniors who are prone to circulatory difficulties that cause leg cramps. In addition to reducing leg cramps, sweet potatoes include complex carbohydrates that provide long-lasting energy, making them an ideal meal choice for seniors who want to stay active and retain muscle strength throughout the day. Sweet potatoes can help seniors maintain consistent energy levels by replacing refined carbohydrates and processed foods. Eggs are widely regarded as a nutritious powerhouse, making them an excellent choice for seniors seeking to strengthen their legs. Eggs have a significant edge in terms of protein quality. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, forming a complete protein source that aids in muscle growth, repair, and maintenance. Sarcopenia is the loss of muscular mass that occurs naturally as people age. This can result in weaker eggs and less motility. Seniors can prevent muscle loss and maintain strength by eating eggs on a daily basis. Furthermore, eggs contain choline, a vitamin essential for muscle activation and neuron function. Choline promotes the creation of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that facilitates nerve-muscle communication, required for muscle contractions, coordination, and balance. A shortage of choline can cause muscle tiredness, poor coordination, and delayed reflexes, increasing the risk of falls and injury in the elderly. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D, which is essential for bone density and muscle function. Many elderly people are vitamin D deficient, which can result in weak bones, joint pain, and muscular weakness. Vitamin D also promotes calcium absorption, so eating eggs on a daily basis can help maintain bones healthy and stable, which is essential for preventing osteoporosis, a frequent condition in seniors that can lead to fractures. Additionally, eggs are high in B vitamins, particularly B6 and B12, which are required for energy metabolism and red blood cell synthesis. B vitamins help turn food into energy, ensuring that the body remains active and less prone to fatigue, as weak legs can often result from a lack of energy and poor circulation. Eating foods rich in B vitamins such as eggs can improve endurance and athletic performance. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt goes through an additional straining phase to remove excess whey, resulting in a thicker, protein-rich product. Muscles require protein to maintain their structure. Greek yogurt includes casein and whey protein, which makes it an excellent choice for muscle repair and recuperation. Casein is a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady supply of amino acids to muscles, avoiding muscle breakdown over time. This is particularly beneficial for the elderly, who may lose muscle mass as they age. Whey protein, on the other hand, digests quickly and aids in immediate muscle regeneration, making Greek yogurt a fantastic choice for increasing leg strength beyond its high protein content. Greek yogurt has a lot of probiotics, which are beneficial microorganisms that promote intestinal health. A healthy stomach is necessary for effective nutrition absorption, allowing seniors to get the most out of their meals. Poor gut health can lead to poor digestion and vitamin deficiency, which can aggravate physical weakness and fatigue. Consuming Greek yogurt on a daily basis may assist older people improve their digestive health and increase their ability to absorb muscle-supporting elements such as calcium, magnesium, and protein. Greek yogurt is also high in calcium, which is beneficial to bone health. The legs support the majority of the body's weight. Strong bones are essential for movement and stability. Calcium deficiency can produce brittle bones and an increased risk of fractures, reducing an elderly person's ability to walk and move independently. Greek yogurt contains calcium and protein, making it a dual-action meal that improves muscle and bone health. Another important ingredient in Greek yogurt is vitamin B12, which is necessary for energy production and cognitive function. A lack of B12 can result in muscular weakness, balance issues, and fatigue, all of which can diminish leg strength. Many elderly people have B12 deficiency due to decreased stomach acid production, making it more difficult for the body to absorb this vitamin from food. Consuming B12-rich foods, such as Greek yogurt, may assist to prevent these deficiencies and preserve good muscle function. Oranges are among the most popular fruits globally, and they are especially beneficial for seniors who want to avoid leg cramps. Their high vitamin C concentration is important in this regard because it promotes appropriate nervous system function and decreases oxidative stress, which can cause muscle weariness and cramps. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen formation, which supports the structure of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Vitamin C, which promotes muscular health and nerve function, can help reduce the frequency and severity of leg cramps. Furthermore, oranges contain a tiny quantity of potassium, an essential electrolyte that helps maintain hydration, balance, and muscle function. Oranges, like bananas, assist restore potassium levels lost through perspiration or activity, allowing muscles to appropriately contract and relax in seniors who are prone to dehydration or excessive fluid loss. Consuming potassium-rich foods such as oranges is an excellent strategy to keep electrolytes balanced and prevent cramping. Oranges are also high in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant with anti-inflammatory and muscle-protecting properties.